Mechanical properties of solids. So if you see solids are those which have specific shape. Yes or no? Volume, as it contains a matter, it will be having mass too, right? Definite shape, definite volume, definite mass. Yes or no? So if you take for a solid, here you should first learn about a word called elasticity. What we should learn is elasticity, very key property, key thing. What is that? Is if you take a balloon, this is a balloon. If you press the balloon, what will happen? It will deform. Deform means it will change its shape. Now, why this shape is being changed? Due to external force. Correct? So this external force creates force inside the particles present inside the balloon, and they create internal forces. So as you remove this external force, this internal force again, it makes the shape of the balloon to come back to its original shape, to regain its original shape. Yes or no? Yes. So if any material it is able to regain its original shape, then we call such materials, or such body will have elasticity. Okay, understood what is elasticity? So what we call this force, external force, it is also known as a deforming force. Why? Because an external force changed the shape of the body, it deformed, right? Therefore external force is also known as deforming force. Clear? So we can define like this. Yes. So what is elasticity? Original shape. Correct. What happens if the body does not regain its original shape? Okay, if the body does not regain its original shape, then we call it as plasticity. What we call it? Yes. So what is plasticity? If it do not deform, or it undergoes permanent deformation, if it do not come back to original shape. Understood? So got the point, what is elasticity and what is plasticity? Original shape will be regained after removing deforming force. Original shape will not be there, it will be deformed even after removing the external force. Okay, now this force we call it as deforming force, right? Or applied force. Correct? Now this force which we applied on a material is also known as stress. What we call that? Stress. Stress is nothing but the force acting on a material on particular area. So on this area, if you are applying force, then force on this area is known as stress. So stress is nothing but force per unit area. What's the formula for stress? Force per area, force by area. So unit of stress, unit for stress is, we know unit for force is Newton, unit for area is meter square. So Newton per meter square is the unit for stress. Yes, these stress are of three types. Okay, longitudinal stress,